Now we are going to solve the practical problems of partnership final account. Before that, we summarized or recap of the format of the final accounts. There are two parts of the final accounts. First is the trading PL account and second part is the balance sheet. First part, trading PL account, is a combined trading PL account. First part is the trading account. Second part is the profit account. We give the short forms to the placement of final accounts. Trading account debit side is known as a TD. Trading account credit side is known as a TC. Profit account debit side is known as a PD. Profit account credit side is known as PC. Balance sheet asset side is known as A. And balance sheet liability side is known as a L. Now we recap. A for assets, L for liabilities, PC for PL credit side, PD for PL debit side, TD for trading account debit side, and TC for trading account credit side. We know that all direct expenses are recorded on a trading account debit side and all direct incomes are recorded on trading account credit side. All indirect expenses are recorded on PL account debit side and all indirect incomes are recorded on PL account credit side. All assets are recorded balance sheet asset side and all liabilities recorded balance sheet liability side. This is general structure of the final account format. Now we go actual questions given in the exams. Question number 1. First we read the complete questions and give the proper placement to the each items in the questions. We know that every items in the trial balance has a single effector and adjustment has a double effector. Now see, read the questions firstly. From the following trial balance of Messrs Ram and Bharat, you are required to prepare trading and profit account for the end date 31st March 14 and balance sheet as on that date. Now trial balance is given. Debit side, first item is opening stock. Now opening stock is a plus first statement of a trading debit side. Therefore, we have to write here it is TD. Purchases is a direct expenses. Therefore, it is also TD. Wages is also direct expenses. Therefore, a TD. Carriage inward is also direct expenses. A TD. Now, cash in hand is an asset. Therefore, you have to write A. Insurance is an expenses. Indirect expenses. Therefore, it is a PD. Now, postage and telegram is also indirect expenses. You have to write PD. Now, sundry assets is an asset. Therefore, you have to write A. Land and building is an asset. Therefore, right here it is A. Now, furniture is also asset. A, write down. A traveling expenses is a indirect expenses. Therefore, it is a PD. Discount allowed is also expenses. It is a PD. Bad debts is also indirect expenses. PD. Now, bills receivable is an asset. Therefore, you have to write A. Now, credit side. Capital is a liabilities. Therefore, you have to write L. Sundry creditors also is liability. You have to write L. Bills payable is also liabilities. L. Now, rent received is income. It is a indirect income side. Therefore, it is a PC. And last one, sales is a direct income side. Therefore, it is a TC. This is the placement for each item in the trial balance. Now adjustments. Each adjustment has a double effector, twofold effector. Now first is closing stock on 31st March 14 was valued rupees 20,000. First effect will be trading account credit side and second will be asset side. Short form is given as TC and A. TC for trading account credit side and A for asset side. Now second adjustment is a outstanding wages rupees 1,000. It will be added in a wages. Added in a wages and second effect will be on liability side. Wages, there is adjustment. Just we have to take out the here wages items. Okay. Now third adjustment. Depreciate furniture by 10%. Effect will be deducted from furniture and second effect will be PL account debit side is an expenses loss, therefore PL account debit side. Now next statement, furniture is to be find out and take out the furniture items. Next statement is a insurance paid in advance It is also called as a prepaid insurance. Effect will be deducted from insurance, and second effect will be on asset side. You have to take out the insurance here. It's insurance one. Now this question is complete one. Now see how to record in a answer sheet. Answer sheet will be as given. Solution like this. First trading account, near about 10 lines. Column C, read C. Trading for the ended 31st March 14. Date, debit, credit, particulars, inner outer column rupees, inner outer column rupees. Second part is also PL account for the ended 31st March 14. Particulars, rupees, inner outer column, particular, rupees, inner outer column. Then second part is the balance sheet as on 31st March 14. Asset side, rupees, inner outer. Liability side, inner outer, rupees. Now we go to the first trading account. Trading account question is that we go with these questions. Now first part is the opening stock. We have to write it on trading account debit side. Here it is opening stock. Okay, there is no adjustment. Write down 18,000. Here it is, just like this one. Second part is a purchases. Also right here it is purchases. Okay, rupees 24,000, just like this. Second is wages. Wages also here it is to wages. There is a tick adjustment. Inner columns rupees 2400. Now see, immediately find out the adjustment wages added. You have to write in plus sign added. Write down outstanding wages rupees 1000. It should be added in 1000. Here it is, and total will be rupees 3400 as it is. Now see, carriage inward is a direct expenses. Right here it is to carriage inward. Carriage inward rupees 1200. Right here it is 1200. Okay, now no part is TD. Now see here again, TC is sales. Write on credit side by sales. There is no adjustment. You write down outer side rupees 52,500, just like this one. Complete one. TC words. Now closing stock is on TC. Therefore right here it is by closing stock rupees 20,000. Okay. Now TC again, nothing is appearing TC. Now you close the trading account. Total of this side and total of this side. Total will be 72,500. Right here is 72,500. And from this total you have to subtract all of these items. Now see, 4 plus 2 6, 9 15, carry 1, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 3 16, plus 1 17, 17 plus 5 22, carry 1 2, 22, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 7 minus 5 is a 2. It is called as gross profit. Okay, and gross profit is carried forward or carried down. It will transfer to PL account credit side by gross profit brought forward rupees 25,900. Now see, PD side and PC side. What is the PD items? Now see, sequentially PD1. Here it is insurance. You have to write insurance. First item is here it is salary. Salary is not given. Therefore you have to write first to insurance. To insurance. Okay. Insurance amount is 1,200 and tick is there. Therefore you are right inner columns. Then make adjustment immediately. Insurance paid in advance, it is subtracted. It is subtracted from insurance. Just write less prepaid. Okay, rupees 300. Deduction will be 900. Okay. Now see. Again, PD. Postage is second item. Postage and telegram. Right here it is postage and telegram. To postage and telegram. Rupees 700. Right here it is 700. Okay. Now second PD item is a traveling expenses. To traveling expenses rupees 1300. Second is a discount allowed. Right here it is to discount allowed. Discount allowed rupees 901. Next is a bad debts. Here it right to bad debts. Okay, bad debts rupees 2000. Here it is 2000. Now complete this one PD part. Now PC is a here it is right PC. Rent received, write down credit side by rent received. No adjustment, therefore you have to write in outer column 2200. Complete one balance. Now see the in adjustment PD or PC. PD here it is PD1. Depreciation furniture you have to write here it is 2. Depreciation on a furniture amount will be 10% of furniture. What is furniture? 28,000. 10% will be rupees 2,800. Okay, 2,800 depreciation. Now again PD part nothing is okay. Once again see PD insurance right here, postage right, traveling right, discount right, bad debts right, credit rent issue right, depreciation return, and insurance also written. Okay, now complete this one. Now see total of credit side firstly made. Give the word here total. Total will be 70, 25 plus 2, 27, 2800 rupees. 9 plus 2 1 11, carry 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, and 2 remain 2. Total will again here will be 2800 rupees. 2800 rupees. Now out of total we have to subtract all of these items and we find out the net profit. How this is? Last digit 0, you have to write 0 0. Second digit also 0 0 0. Okay. Now see 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus 9 28, 28 plus 8 36, 36 plus 5 41, 4 carry 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 9 18, carry 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. Is a net profit. It is a net profit of the partners. Net profit transfer to capital account. Transfer to capital account. Both partners, name is Ram and second name is Bharat. Profit sharing ratio is not given in question, therefore profit sharing ratio will be equal. Equal portion will be 2 9s are 18, carry 1, 2 7s are 15, carry 1, 2 5s are 15, 0. 9750 is the net profit of each partner. Now we go to the balance sheet. Now see, in questions, where it is assets, cash in and assets, debtors assets, building asset, furniture assets, and bills list asset. Out of these are the fixed asset, building. Therefore, firstly you have to write buildings, land and buildings. There is a no adjustment, figure will be outer side. Second is a fixed money, furniture. Right here it is furniture. There is adjustment, there tick out, therefore you have to write inner column. Then adjustment also read one, depreciate furniture 10%. I have to deduct depreciation at a 10%. 10% amount will be 2800 and subtraction will be 25,200. Okay. Now complete one, fixed asset. Now again see the other assets. Cash in hand is the current asset. Right here it is cash in hand. Cash in a hand. Amount to be 3,800. Here 3,800. Second assets, sundry debtors. Right here it is sundry debtors. Amount to be 21,000. 21,000. Now second asset will be furniture return, building return, bills receivable. Right here it is bills receivable. Okay, amount is rupees 8,000. Now again see assets, closing stock. Write down here it is closing stock. Amount to be 20,000. Write down here it is 20,000. Okay. Then again see assets. Here it is asset. It's a prepaid insurance. Right here it is prepaid insurance. Okay. Amount to be 300. Right here it is 300. This one asset side. Now going to complete the liability side. Liability side, write first capital. Okay. Write first capital. Capital on credit side, Ram's capital 50,000. Right here it is Ram's capital. Ram rupees 50,000. Then Bharat capital, right here it is Bharat capital. Rupees 30,000. There is adjustment capital. In capital we have to add the net profit. Net profit is 9,750 and 9,750 will be added in a capital account. Here it is plus sign. Write down net profit 9,750. Total will be 59,750. Here also add net profit. Net profit 9,750 and total will be 39,750. These are the liabilities. Now see again what are the liabilities. Capital complete. Sundry creditors liability. Right here it is sundry creditors. Sundry creditors rupees 10,000. Right here it is 10,000. Then again bills payable is a liability. Right here it is bills payable. Okay. Bills payable amount to be 7,800. Okay. Liability is complete. Now again see where it is L written. Now here it is L written. It is outstanding wages. Right here it is outstanding wages. And amount will be rupees 1,000. Right here it is 1,000. Okay. Now complete one. Again one see cash return, building return, furniture return, bills return, capital return, creditors return, bills return, then stock return, outstanding wages return, then insurance return. Okay, now complete on this. Now make the totals. Total of liability side is equal to the total of asset side. Now see 5 plus 5 10 0 0 carry 1 7 plus 1 8 8 plus 7 15 15 plus 8 23 3 2 remains 2 plus 9 11 11 plus 9 20 20 plus 7 27 27 plus 8 28 2 remains 2 plus 5 7 7 plus 3 10 10 plus 1 11 1,18,300. Now total of this one side 2 plus 5 8 2 plus 8 5 10 10 plus 3 13. Okay, carry 1 5 plus 1 6 6 plus 3 9 9 9 plus 1 10 10 plus 8 18. Okay, carry 1 4 plus 1 5 5 plus 2 7 7 plus 2 9 9 plus 2 11, and this is total is equal, and then complete the answers with bracket. Okay, that's it. Complete. Easy part is okay. Thank you.